If you've been searching for the best offset smoker on Amazon, I have done the digging for you. We're talking 5 smokers, all available right now, all at different price points. And I'm going to tell you which one actually delivers that real low and slow BBQ flavor you're after. From the best beginner pick to the one series pitmasters keep coming back to, we're covering it all today. Links to every single one of these are in the description below. Let's get into it. Alright, starting with number 1. And if you're serious about offset smoking, this is probably already on your radar. The Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn Reverse Flow. Oklahoma Joe's builds their smokers from 12-gauge black oil pipe. That's the same steel used in actual Texas BBQ joints. Not a thin sheet metal backyard grill, a real smoker, built for real cooks. The big feature here, the one that separates the Longhorn from almost everything else at this price, is the dual smoking mode. You can run it in reverse flow, where the smoke travels back under 4 steel baffles before reaching your food. The result? Way more even heat. No hot spots, no cold corners. Or you move the smokestack and run it as a traditional offset. Most smokers make you pick one. The Longhorn gives you both. You're working with 751 square inches in the main chamber and another 309 in the firebox. Over 1,000 total. Briskets, ribs, chicken, pork shoulders, all at once, no problem. The charcoal basket is big, so you get longer burns with way less babysitting. The firebox has its own side door, so you stoke the fire without ever lifting the main lid. And every time you lift that lid, you bleed heat and add time to your cook. This is just the complete package, holds temp well, built to last, and the reverse flow makes it genuinely forgiving while you're still learning fire management. Pros: dual mode, reverse flow plus traditional offset. 1,060 square inches total cooking area. 12-gauge steel, genuinely tough construction. Large charcoal basket, fewer interruptions. Cons: heavy, not easy to move around. Fire management takes a few cooks to dial in. Now let's talk about the Highland. Same brand, same reverse flow system, but sized down. And I know it might seem like I'm doubling up on one brand, but these are genuinely different smokers for different people. The Highland gives you 619 square inches in the main chamber and 281 in the firebox, 900 square inches total. Still a lot of room. I've seen people smoke 6 pork shoulders at once on this thing and not even feel cramped. Same 2-mode setup as the Longhorn. Move the smokestack and switch between reverse flow and traditional offset. 4 baffles under the porcelain-coated grates push heat evenly across the food. That's the whole point of reverse flow, and it works well here. What I actually like most about the Highland is the firebox size. It's smaller and more manageable than the Longhorns, which makes it genuinely easier to learn on. Smaller fire, less chaos, less guessing. Experts have called this one of the best entry points into real wood-burning offset smoking. And I agree with that completely. Is the steel as thick as some higher-end options? No. If you're smoking every weekend for years on end, you'll feel that eventually. But for the price on Amazon, the Highland punches way above its weight. If the Longhorn feels like too much smoker, too much money, too much space, too much fire to manage, the Highland is your answer. Pros: easier fire management, great for beginners. Reverse flow still included at this price. 900 square inches total cooking area, strong price to performance ratio. Cons: thinner steel than premium options. Smaller charcoal basket than the Longhorn. Alright, number 3, and this one genuinely surprised me, the Char-Griller Grand Champ. Full disclosure, Char-Griller makes some mediocre budget smokers, but the Grand Champ is a completely different animal. This is their serious model, and it earns that label. You get 1,200 square inches of total cooking space with 780 square inches primary. That's actually bigger than both Oklahoma Joe's models. We're talking 11 racks of ribs, 10 pork shoulders, 8 briskets, all at once. The steel is 12 gauge or 2.5 millimeters thick. That's legitimately heavy duty. But here's what actually surprised me. The felt gasket seals on all the lids and doors. At this price point, that's not something you expect. Most smokers in this range have gaps that bleed smoke and heat constantly. The Grand Champ seals up properly, which means better smoke retention, better fuel efficiency, and fewer temperature swings during a long cook. Dual damper controls for airflow. Expanded metal grates. Included charcoal basket. Easy dump ash pan. Pull it out, dump it, done. It sits right in the middle of the market. Not cheap, not competition grade, but a well-built, honest smoker that handles regular use. If you want more capacity and better heat control without paying premium prices, the Grand Champ makes a lot of sense. Pros: gasket seals on all lids and doors. Largest cooking area on this list, 1,200 square inches, 12 gauge steel, 2.5 millimeter thick, easy dump ash pan, clean and easy. Cons: build quality can vary unit to unit. Heavy, harder to assemble alone. Now let's see how this compares, because the Smokin Pro is a completely different kind of smoker. This is the budget beginner pick, and it's been around for a long time for good reason. 580 square inches in the main barrel, 2 on me in the side firebox, 830 total. Smaller than the others for sure. But for a first offset smoker, that's actually fine. You don't need a massive firebox when you're still getting the hang of fire and airflow management. Classic Texas double barrel design, fully versatile. Use the main barrel as a regular charcoal grill. Load up the side firebox with charcoal and wood and run it as a full offset smoker. Switch between them depending on what you're cooking. Simple, flexible, works. Here's what I genuinely appreciate about this one. The cooking grates are cast iron. At this price, that's not a given. Most budget smokers use basic wire grates. Cast iron holds heat better, gives you better sear marks, and lasts longer. That's a real upgrade you don't always see at this price point. Adjustable fire grate, built-in hood temperature gauge, dual damper controls, easy dump ash pan. Are the gaps as tight as a high-end smoker? No. Will you probably want to make a few small mods if you get really into it? Yeah, maybe, but as a starting point, this delivers real BBQ flavor without overwhelming a beginner and without draining the wallet. Pros: cast iron grates rare at this price, dual purpose grill, and offset smoker. Beginner friendly, manageable learning curve, very affordable entry point. Cons: smaller cooking area overall. Gaps and seals could be better. And number 5, and this one's a different category from everything else, the Broil King Regal Charcoal Offset 500. The cooking chamber is built from 2mm 14 gauge steel, heavier than what you get on most consumer offset smokers. More steel means better heat retention, more consistent temperatures, and a smoker built to outlast the competition. And Broil King backs it with a 5-year warranty on the grill body. That's rare, and it tells you something about how confident they are in the build. But the feature that really makes the Regal stand out is the roto-draft damper system. 3 cast aluminum dampers with marked settings. Most dampers are just open or closed and you're guessing in between. The roto-draft marks let you dial in an exact position, nail a cook at 250 degrees, and then reproduce those same results the next weekend. That kind of repeatability is a genuinely big deal once you start taking your BBQ seriously. The chamber door is double-walled with a gasket seal all the way around. Cast iron grates are reversible. Pointed side for sear marks, V-channel side for self-basting. Stainless steel charcoal trays sit elevated for better airflow. Ashtrays are fully stainless and accessible from both sides for easy cleanup. In real-world, head-to-head testing, the Broil King held temperature more consistently and produced better color on smoked meats than anything else in this price tier. Over a full year of use, it kept performing at the same level. If long-term performance and the ability to replicate your cooks is what you're after, this is it. Pros: thickest steel 14 gauge construction, roto-draft dampers with marked settings, double-walled gasket-sealed chamber door, reversible cast iron grates. Cons: higher price than competitors. Heavier needs dedicated space. So who wins? Best overall, Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn reverse flow. 2 smoking modes, 1-60 square inches, 12 gauge steel, big charcoal basket. If you're picking one offset smoker and stopping there, this is the one. Best for beginners, Oklahoma Joe's Highland reverse flow. Manageable, forgiving, and still delivers real BBQ flavor. The best entry point into wood-burning offset smoking on this list. Best step-up budget pick, Char-Griller Grand Champ. Gasket seals, massive cooking area, thick steel, a real smoker at a mid-range price. Best entry-level pick, Char-Griller Smokin Pro. Simple, affordable cast iron grates. A solid first offset smoker. Best premium build. Broil King Regal Offset 500. The roto-draft dampers, 14 gauge steel, double-walled door, and 5-year warranty. The most dialed-in smoker on this list. Hopefully this helped you land on the right one, because there's a real difference between these 5 and the wrong pick can be a genuinely frustrating experience. Drop a like if this helped and let me know in the comments which one you're going with, or if you've already cooked on any of these, I want to hear how they've been holding up. Thanks for watching.